Your blood pressure machine will arrive with fully charged batteries. This is what the display should look like. If you accidentally trigger the blood pressure machine, like so, you can simply stop it by pressing down on the big round button again. As the blood pressure machine is single user, please make sure that you're the only person that uses the blood pressure machine. If somebody else happens to use your blood pressure machine, please just make sure to write down the date and time so that we can manually delete the entry later.
When you first receive your blood pressure cuff, it will be in a large setting and you'll have to adjust it to fit your arm. So first you open it and you'll see that this is where your arm goes. There will be directions on the cuff itself, this part pointing to your elbow and this part pointing to your shoulder. So insert your arm like so, and you'll see this points to your elbow and this points to your shoulder. Then adjust the cuff so that when it's on, you should be able to have 3 fingers between your skin and the cuff, like this. That's adjusted correctly. And it should sit about here. And when you take your blood pressure, your arm should be relaxed.
When it's time to take your blood pressure, you want to make sure that you've been sitting calmly for 5 minutes. So it's a perfect time if you're watching TV or on the computer. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground and you're sitting comfortably. All right, so when you're ready, you want to make sure you're calm, sitting feet flat on the ground, and press the on button like so. And now you want to make sure it says average on the screen, and it will begin your measurements, and it will do so 3 times. So it will count down between each measurement, and it will measure your blood pressure 3 times. And now when it measures again, here it's letting you know that this is the 3rd time that it's taking your measurement for this average. And here it will show you the average of your blood pressure. There's no need to write this down as it will save it. And that is it. You can slip it off and turn it back off. And all done.
Error!
So when you get an error, it is likely because the cuff is too loose. So you want to readjust and tighten it a little bit more. Slip it back on again, making sure that shoulder points towards shoulder and elbow towards elbow. And we hold 3 seconds again, making sure it says average on the screen.